Real estate investing rules you must know. There's been a change in the game plan. There's some new rules out there that I want to bring to your attention because the rules have been changing because of the economy, because of pivoting. There's all kinds of things affecting the rules. When rules change in a game, you have to pivot. You have to create new plans. You have to create new plays. Coming off of the gridiron and being an all-state football player, if it wasn't for that, and understanding that playbook and pivoting for each team you're playing against, it's similar to the economy that just occurred. The team changed. You're playing a tougher team now. Things are a little tougher. And that's why when the going gets tough, the tough get going, baby. And that's you. So here's the new rules in real estate. Let's go down them one at a time. Rule number 1. For the first time in history, I believe interest rates have been the lowest ever. And because of the issues with the economy and inflation will soon come back, things are going to continue to inflate. Things are going to continue to appreciate. But because of the interest rates at this point, you don't want to be taking short-term loans. Take advantage of the long-term financing because now is the time that interest rates are so low, it changes the rule around finance. Rule number 2, only swing at fat pitches. What do I mean by that? I'm not talking about you have to hit a grand slam at every time, but I'm going to tell you, if you're going for those little deals and doing a lot of little deals, think about swinging at a bigger deal. Because if you do one bigger deal, you can make the same that you make on all the smaller deals. I'm going to give you an example. When I first started, I started on a $14.2 million project. It was kind of crazy at first, but I said to myself, if I hit this one big, I could retire off one deal. And that's what happened. On my first deal, I made over $1 million and I never looked back. Swing for that big fat pitch. Rule number 3, no deal applies to the big fat pitch unless it has what? A big fat cash flow. That's right. You want to make sure that your deals have a certain amount of cash flow. Set yourself a criteria. Increase your rate of return. Look for properties that are below value and get that big cash flow. Item number 4 changes the rules related to leverage. Before it was leverage. Take as much money as you can. In this environment, I'm recommending that you reduce your leverage. Reduce your leverage, lower your ratios, move forward, and look at the rules that you're operating because these items are going to make a difference moving forward. Remember, when the game changes or when the team changes or just knowing that, hey, you're in for a season and you're playing various teams, it gives you the opportunity to create a playbook that has variety, that can jump into situations during a pandemic. And you have that play already in your playbook. It's not a matter of dealing with change because people worry about change. But now I'm telling you that the rules have changed and these are the rules that you must know in real estate. If you want to learn more about the changes in real estate, check out kenvanliew.com and make it a great day.